Hello friends, bonjour, welcome to our YouTube channel French Minds. On this channel, I keep uploading everyday French lessons for French language learners. So, let's begin. So today we are going to continue with our number series 166 to 170. So, let's begin. 166 is pronounced in French as soixante-six. Soixante-six. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. So means 100, soixante means 60 and six means 6. Soixante-six. 167 is pronounced in French as soixante-sept. Soixante-sept. 168 is pronounced in French as soixante-wheat. Soixante-wheat. 169 is pronounced in French as soixante-neuf. Soixante-neuf. 170 is pronounced in French as soixante-dix. Soixante-dix. Pay attention carefully how this number has been formed. So means 100, soixante means 60 and these means 10. 100 plus 60 plus 10, that is equal to 170. So in French this number is pronounced as soixante-dix. So let's revise all the numbers one more time. 166 soixante-six. 167 soixante-sept. 168 soixante-wheat. 169 soixante-neuf. 170 soixante-dix. Let's practice these numbers one more time in reverse order. Soixante-dix, soixante-neuf, soixante-wheat, soixante-sept, soixante-six. So keep learning, keep practicing. See you in the next video. Au revoir.